That is a Hormann photo eye. You can see when something gets in the way, the red light goes on.
Quick innovative tip. Linear photo eyes work on Hormann because they are non-polarized. So if you have a Hormann opener and don't have Hormann eyes, you can get linear eyes. They work. Go ahead and hit the button on this one, please. Yeah. Other button. No. Other button. Other button. Hit the other button. No. The other button. This one. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Look at that. It's closing. Don't stop it. Let it go all the way down, please. Stop the button. Stop. Hit the button again. Let it come down, please. Thank you. There's the eye. Now we're going to watch it reverse. Put my leg in front of it. And you can hear it's beeping. And there you go. Innovative quick tips. 101. Linear photo eyes work on Hormann openers. 630-271-9343. Thank you. And we always will encourage you to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our linear photo eyes work on Hormann door openers, garage door opener video. See you over there.